up, YouTube? It's your girl Nika, and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. I'm back, ayy. With another video. I'm back, ayy. In this video, we're talking about labels. So I have a small business. I was supposed to launch in the month of June, which is this month. And I have some upsetting news. We're not launching in the month of June. And the reason why we're not launching in the month of June is because I'm still working on getting some paperwork together so that this can be an official business. So y'all will see that coming up with the update. So I might as well just say now because it's happening. But this is about to be an LLC. So we have Bare Cosmetics LLC, baby. Yeah. Alright, so on this video, I'm going to be talking about like the labels, how I make my labels, where do I get my labels from, for inquiring minds who want to know. Throughout this video, y'all going to be seeing my little co-star. Say hi, Simba. He hates it when I pick him up, but watch this. Oh, God. Y'all, his nails be giving me hell. But that's what I get for picking them up. I'm gonna be working on getting the labels together for my hair oils as well as my hair strengthener. For my lip gloss business, or for the lip, this is all one, but for lip gloss, I have some labels that I did purchase already. They're not my favorite, but I spent money on them anyways, so we're gonna use them. But in the future, I'm going to show y'all how I order my lip gloss labels, and we're going to create some new labels for that. So stay tuned, rock with your girl, and let's get into it. Let's get jiggy with this shit, okay? These are the different products that I have. I'm going to put the camera down so y'all can see. This part is most likely going to be like a voiceover because I have to focus. I create my labels I download a template that I create my labels from, and then I put the template to Avery. So you can purchase your labels on Avery. It's a very, very good company. They do professional printing, and the shipping, it got here pretty fast. It was like 2 weeks, but that's good. It lets me know that they were really working on getting this done the right way. So I ended up getting a lot more labels than I needed to. These are the different label sheets, the different type of labels that I'm going to be putting on the bottles, and y'all going to see me do that. I work on the lip gloss separate. I got diamonds doing dusty slides in both kids. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wants mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, it's in action. These days, no my yeah, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I die. Drop the feel like the smoke clear. Drop the feel like the smoke clear.
Fame, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa, yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for this life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah.
Get into it if you go to church. Leave me, dripping out on me already. Got what you needed, I got it quickly. Learned yourself through me already. Got you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all's on this side, y'all's over on this side. Hey.
Something about the way that you talk to me. Even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy.